Hello guys, let's see how to make the water tank overflow system which will give the indication. Here I'm using a old battery. Okay, if you want then you can directly take the connector, but here I'm using the old batteries upper side as a connector. How to make the connector? Just go and check the video that I already posted over here. Connected the positive to the positive side of the connector and negative of the buzzer. I'm connecting here with the BC547. Now you can see I have done with the connection as shown in a circuit diagram. So collector is connected to negative of buzzer and emitter is connected to negative side, and our base is connected with a black wire. If I connect both the wires, that is collector and here the base, so what happened over here is VCC is directly given to the base and transistor will turn on automatically. So here what I am doing is I am just cutting the wires up to the length I want my indication, and now I am filling the tank. So it is just an indication. If the water touches both the wires, current will start flow and transistor act as a closed switch. So here how the water indicator works. This is the simple project of water level indicator, which is a demo version of it. If you think like these are the interesting, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and please do visit the channel to see different videos on a different electronic topics to get the update of it. Thank you.